Um, we'll start cumulative probabilities. And before that, in last calculation, the probability should be 0.3. I wrote here as 0.03. It has to be correct, 0.3. Cumulative probabilities. Cumulative function usually we define with um, probability of capital X, the variable less than or equal to simple x. The mass function is we define like this, equal to, and this is cumulative. It means the addition. Sometimes we can write like this as well in a simple notation fx. So if you see if fx, capital Fx, usually it is cumulative. What is the meaning of that? Probability of variable less addition of all up to small all x. So we'll discuss further this one, or if this is or you can keep this one. What is the cumulative probability a function? This is the function, and this is probability mass function. Now when you toss a die, so when you roll a die, we have four options: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, not 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Getting 1 is 1 over 6, 1 over 6, 1 over 6. So this is the probability mass function. Let me write like this as well. X value, probability of x equal x. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we'll work out the cumulative one. So we know when x value is 1, this is 1 over 6. When x value is 2, this is 1 over 6. X value become 3, so x value. This is again 1 over 6. They all are 1 over 6. I just wrote across this one. This is horizontally, this is vertically. Now, here, probability, this is the cumulative function. X less than or equal to x. Then, what we should do, um, but when x equal 1, so this is the idea, probability of x less than or equal to 1. I will rewrite as well. When x equal 1, probability of x less than or equal to 1. When x equal to, so then what is the answer for this one? This is probability x equal 1, that is 1 over 6. So this is 1 over 6. Now here, when x equal to x less than or equal to 2, then what is the meaning of that? Probability of x 1 plus probability of x equal 2. You want to add both. Basically 1 over 6 getting 1 and getting 2 also 1 over 6, that is 2 over 6. So this is 2 over 6. So when x less than or equal to 3, so this is the cumulative. So then this is going to be when you take the number line less than or equal to 3. So this all 3, 1, 2, 3. So probability of x equal 1 plus probability of x equal 2 plus probability of x equal 3. So this is going to be 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6. This is 3 over 6. When x equal 4, probability x less than or equal to 4. The command is add all the probabilities less than or equal to 4. It means probability of x equal 1 plus probability of x equal 2 plus probability of x equal 3 plus probability of x equal 4. So 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6 plus 6 plus 1 over 6, 4 over 6. So likewise, this is probability of x less than 5. Then likewise, probability of x less than 5 is going to be 5 over 6, and probability of less than or 6, this is going to be 6 over 6, which is 1. So the total probability is 1. So we have to adapt to see the total probability, but in here from the last reading we will get 6 over 6, adapt to 1. If I so this incident, this is from PMF, probability mass function, and this is the cumulative probability function. So simply this is 1 over 6 and 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6, 2 over 6, 2x plus 3 over 6, 3 over plus 4 over 6, and 4 over 1 plus 5 over 6, 5 over 6 over 6 equal 1. Actually, you can remember that we work out frequency, right? This is class interval 3 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 15. So this is 3, 4, let's say 6. Then we write the cumulative one. So this is 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 8. So that is frequency, cumulative frequency. Now this is cumulative probability. That's all. So that function is defined like this. That's all. Nothing special. We'll work out probability variable. Assume x follow binomial 5, 0.4. So we'll write the distribution. X, probability of x equal x. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. This is probability of x equal x. Now you know how to find this one from the calculator. I discussed last time. It is go to select 7 and then 4 and then 1. So I'm going to find like that and write here now. So I wrote the probabilities. Now we will find the cumulative x less than or equal to x. Then x value is 0. It is going to be the same value, 0.0778. Then x equal 1. Then you want to add this one and this one. When x equal 1, 0 plus 1. Probability of x equal 0 plus probability of x equal 1. So that is 0.0778 plus 0.2592. And when x equal 2, that is probability of x less than or equal to 2. It means probability of x equals 0 plus probability of x equal x equal 1 plus probability of x equal 2. Then I have to add this one, and this one, and right here. So first of all, when I add those two, the answer is going to be 8 plus 2, 0. No, 9 plus 7, 16, 7. 5 plus 7, that is going to be 13. And 2 plus 1, 3. So this is the value. Now I want to add those two together. Then I will get 0.6826. And now probability of x equal 3. Probability of x less than or equal to 3. So I want to add probability of x equals 0, probability of x equal 1, and probability of x equal 2, and probability of x equal 3. So I want to add all 3 now. So instead of adding everything again, I can add this one to here. So I will get the answer 0.9130. Now probability of x less than or equal to 4, probability of x equal 0, x equal 1, x equal 2, x equal 3, and probability of x equal 4. So this answer is going to be 0.9898. And last is x less than or equal to 5, and we have to add all plus px equal 5. Then we know this answer is 1. I discussed this one last time as well. So now if you go to page 204, and then you can check n equal 5, and the probability 0.40. If you look at this one, you can see that this is the 0.40 cumulative probability in the book. So you can see that this 0.40, all the probabilities here, cumulative probability. So you can't find fifth one in the book, only up to 4, because we know that fifth one is 1 already. And if you look at from, let's say, n equal 40, if you go and look, and you can see that the maximum value is on the line x value 0, 1, 2, 3, 32. But there are 40 trials, but it's no point of writing because we can see that they all are 1. That's why they didn't write 33, 34, 35, because they all are 1. Apart from that, one more thing you should know. These places, the idea behind this, greater than 5, it means 4, 5, 6. Greater than 5 mean you can't include 5. So then it is from 6 onwards. So x greater than 5. And no more than 3. No more than 3 mean, do you think that you can take x equal 3? Yes. X less than or equal to 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, including 3. and at least 7. At least 7 mean um, it can the minimum value should be 7. So when you have 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 onwards, so at least 7 mean including 7 onwards. So x greater than or equal to 7. Fewer than 10. Fewer than 10 mean 9, 10, 11. So you can't take 10. So from 9 onwards, or we will usually write this is circle, we dark this circle, and it is greater than 5, then we will put a circle but not a dark circle. And here fewer than 10, it means circle and it is empty circle. And at most 8, it means the maximum value is 8 including. So this is x less than 10. So this is 7, 8, 9. Then this is going to be dark. This is the so x less than or equal to 3 means dark, and this one greater than 5 means the empty circle. So this idea you need to know that when say the greater than 5, no more than 3, at least 7. Let's discuss to find the uh, distribution with the calculator. We work out 5 and 0.4. You can do this one by the calculator. Casio FX 991EX. First of all, menu, then type 7, then you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, don't press it anything, then use the arrow to go down, then you can see 1, 2, 3, binomial CD cumulative distribution, then select one, and then you can see 1 or 2, so list, so then select 1, then you have 2 column xn. Right now you know what to do. You have to put x equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the values you want, and then when you done this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then press equal sign. When you press equal, you can see that N and P, so you can type N and P there. N is 5 and P is 0.4. When you done this one, press again equal sign. When you done this one, press again equal sign. Then you can see the list of the cumulative x equals 0, x equal 0.0 777, and when with this is without rounding up, x equal to so I jot down all the probabilities. Probability of x, you can write x equals 0, so x equal less than equal to 0, both same. So this one, and up to 1, and up to 2, up to 3, up to 4, up to 5. So you can see the addition here. Now from you can see these values are increasing, and last value. Now if you want to find probability of x equal 3 from cumulative, then probability of x less than or equal to 4, minus probability of x less than or equal to 3. So x and sorry, this is up to 3 and minus 2. So you want to find x equal 3, then you add all the addition is there 9129 or 0.9129, then you want to minus this one 0.6825 to get the probability of x equal 3. Assume you want to find this one 1 greater than x greater than 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It means you need 3, 2, 1. Then probability x less than or equal to 3. Then you want to minus probability x less than or equal to 0 because you need uh, all 3. This is a mistake usually students does because when they see that 1 they will write 1, then it is wrong. So you can see that okay. Simply, we need 1 to 3 mean probability of 1 less than x less than 3 mean we need probability of x less equal to 1, x equal to 2 and x equal to 3. Then how do you find 1? So 3 we find 3 minus 2, find 1 minus 0. How do you find 2? 2, 2 minus 1. And how many? 3, 3 minus 2. Now you can see 2 to 2 cancel out, minus 1, 1 cancel out. Only remaining plus 3 and minus 0. So 3 minus 0. Another one, probability of 1 x greater than or equal to 6. Now you can see there is no equal sign. It means we need only 2 and 3. Then 2 and 3 you can get probability of less than 3 minus probability of x less than 1. Less than or equal to 1. If we need to, so void this one and go one more below. How about this one? Probability of 1 less than x less than 4. So you want to look at what is reality of this one. No equal. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then really what are the numbers required? 2 and 3. Then this is equal to probability of x equal 3 plus probability of x equal 2. So you can take this one, probability of x less than or equal to 3 up to here, and then minus up to 1, minus probability x less than or equal to 1. You can get 2 and 3 again. Assume that this is n is 20 and this is 0.2, and I want to find the probability between 12 and 18. Now you can see there is no equal sign. Then I need, this is really in between probability 13 equal x equal 18. So this is the range I need. So you can find this probability x x great less than or equal to 18 minus probability x less than equal to 12, because this is no equation sign. If there is a equation sign, it has to be 11. Now how do you do from the calculator straight this one? So usually you are going as usual menu. So menu, then go 7, then you can get 1, 2, 3, 4 options. Then don't select this one, use arrow to go down. When you arrow, you can see again as usual binomial CD. Then out of that you have to select 1. Then you can see that list and the variable 2 things. So then out of that again select 1. Then we are going to ask our normal uh, x and p, then type 18 here, x value 18, and enter, and then 13 and enter, sorry, 12, you need 12, so 12 uh, and enter, then enter again when you done this one. So you enter 18 and 12, then so this time we did the bigger one first, and usually we are putting ascending order 0 1 2 3 4 5. So now I put the other way around, it doesn't matter. So then press equal sign, then it will ask the n and p again. You can see n and p, so type n and p. So n and p, n is 20 and p is 0.2. When you done this one, again press enter. You can see 18 value as 1 and 12 value as 0.9999. So then you have this value, this is 1 minus 0.999. So answer is 0.0001. So instead of if there is only 2 or 3, so you can do like that. And if you want to find another one, press again and go to x and change the x value. Uh, if you want to do different one, press again equal sign and then go back to the x and change this x value whatever you want, and then press enter again. Let's discuss example number 7. The spinner is designed to the probability lands on red is 0. X is land on red. So follow binomial 12 and 12 spins and 0.3 lands on. Find the probability that Jane obtain no more than 2 reds. So no more than 2 reds. It means we need 0 red, 1 red, 0 1 0 1 2 3. No more than, so we need 0 and 1 and 2. So then the probability of x less than or equal to 2. In other way, probability of x equals 0 plus x equal 1 plus probability of x equal 2. So we will go to page 205, and then you can see n equal 12 and 0.2 table, and then you can read up to 2. So you can read this value, not up to 2 actually, up to 0.3. So you will get the value 0.2528. So your answer is 0.2528. Then part B, at least 5 reds. So at least 5 reds. So at least 5 red mean let's say 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. So at least 5 red mean it should be more than, including 5, more than 5. So probability of x greater than or equal to 5. So instead of that, you can minus 1 minus up to 4 equal 1 minus probability of x less than or equal to 4. Now you can read again from the table 1, 2, 4. You can read this value 0.7237, 0.7237, then 1 minus 0.7237, and your answer should be 0.2763. Now part C is Jane decided to use this spinner for class competition. She's going to plan for a class competition with this spinner. So he's going to tell that, okay, uh, uh, I'm going to give you 12 chances. If you get 9 chances, you will get the prize. So likewise, that's 9 no 8 chances that Jane has to decide. When Jane decide that number of times to given to the children, their colleagues, so that probability she want to bring less than 0.05 price to be less than 0.5. So how many? What is the number of spinnings we can tell to the student? So we'll find it now. So I'm going to the page 205 again. I jot down that table up to from 6 up to 12. So probability of getting 12 also, getting number of when you spin 12, all the 12 times you will get red is impossible. It is 0 because 1 minus 1 is 0. And getting 11 also impossible. 1 minus 1 is 0. Getting 10 is 1 minus 0.998. 1 minus 0.0998. So basically that is going to be 0.002. So this is going to be getting 10 is 0.0002. So our value should be what? Less than 0.05. Okay, so we can further. So this is 0.0002. What is getting 9? 9 mean we can minus 0.9998 minus 0.993. So this is going to be 8 minus 3, 5. 0.005. So this is 0.0005. Then we can add that one as well. 5 now. 0.007 so far. 0.007. So it is still less than 0.05. So we can add more. The boundaries. Okay, what is getting exactly 8? 0.9983 minus 0.9905. So this value is going to be 13 minus 5, 8, and 7 minus 7, this is 0, 0. So that is going to be 0.0078. So can I add this one, 0.0078. So then this is going to be 8, 7, 15, and this is 6.00. Still I can, because 0.0065 is not 0.05, not equal to. I can bring further. So What is the probability of getting 7? So getting 7 is 0.9905 minus this one 0.9614. So 15 minus 4 9, and this is 9 minus 1 8, and this is going to be 8 minus 6 2, and this is 0.289. So shall I add 0.289 to here? So total is 0.0065 and 0.0289. So this is going to be 14. So 0.035. So I will add this one to 0.0. This is 0.30354. 0354. So 9.0. So it's still not equal to 0.05. Now, okay, I think I need 6 value as well. Then I have to write 5. So now I want to find what is the probability of getting 6. I think that's the issue again. Yeah, this is 0.02. Now it's mine. Now, so likewise we can add this one, but instead of doing this one, we'll work a bit easily now. So we didn't finish the sum yet. So I need to find now. Instead of finding this one, so I'm going to find 1 minus form. So this is 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So 1 minus 0.998. 0.9998 is 0.002. Then 1 minus 0.9983. So we don't need to add now. So we'll straight take 1 minus. So this is still less than 0.05. This is still less than 0.05. And then, okay, still fine. So 1 minus 0.9905. I delete and erase and I reword this one because it wasn't clear that now it is clear. So those are the values you can see. Now from these values, don't look at these values now. Those are from the table. Now probability of getting 12 is 0. Impossible. Probability of getting 11 is 0. Probability of getting 10 is 1 minus probability of getting up to 9. So you can find from the table that up to 9 probability from the cumulative table, that is 0.02, and this is going to be 0.0017. So to get this one 9, you want to minus up to 8. So basically this is 9. So 9 onwards you want to find, then you want to take 1 minus probability of x less than or equal to 8. So likewise this is 8, up to 8. And so this is this one plus this one. So when it's come to here, this one plus this one plus this one. And it is when it's come to 7, the probability is total from here. The cumulative probability is on the table from 0 to 12. Now the probability I am doing that from 12 to 0. In this way I can see that um, and this is going to be 0.1178. Now you can compare with 0.05. Okay, this is less than, 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 right? This is also less than. Okay, this is greater than 0.05, and this is the cutoff point. You can see that. So this addition is more than 0.05 up to 6 spinning. So if you are expecting to a winning probability less than 0.05, so we have to tell that student or the colleagues that, okay, I'll give a chance, 12 chances. If you get at least 7, 6 is not, so at least 7, then you will win the game or you will win this prize. So you can finalize this one. You can tell if you get at least 7 or 7 or more, red will win the prize. Now the same thing I am going to write with the, I will take the calculator and I will write the particular probabilities, and I will show you that with the calculator. So I'll go to menu, then 7 as usual. Then I'm going to use 4, not the cumulative one. And when I got a 2 option, 1 and 2, so I will go with the list 1. So go for with 1. Then I can enter from 0 to 12, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, or I can stay somewhere from 4, because I know that this is not going to get. So I can start from put in numbers from 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is X value. So I jot down all the values from the calculator with the not from the cumulative distribution. Those are single values. Getting probability of 12 is 0. So this is the value. When we see -7, we can simply disregard. -5, simply disregard. -4, careful, we get the last value. And -3, yes, we need. -3 we need. So these are individuals values. So getting the probability 4. So I went number 7, menu number 7, and then 4, and then 1 list, and then I type 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then press the equal and put these values, and then I check. So those are the values. You can see this one, this one, this one, this one, and then like this. So I turn into the normal way. So when you consider this one, -3, yes, significance, -4 is still significance, and -5 onwards, you can drop that one. You can make it almost zeros. So now if we do like this, then what you could do, so this is all 0. Then at this one and this one, this is also 0, 0. Then this is 0 and 0, and at this one plus 0, 0, 0, 1. So it is less than, it's still 0.05. Then at this one as well. So 0 plus 0 plus 0.0001 plus this one 0.0014. Check the value. Still this is less than 0.5. then go further, add one more. So 0.00, then 0.001 and 0.00014 plus this value now 0.0077, and check whether this is less than or equal to 0.05. You can see it is less than, because I know this number now from the last calculation. This is 0, then 0.001 plus 0.0014 plus 0.0077, and now this one value 0.29 0.0291. So this is also 0.05 less than, right? And for this value again, you write this whole set again, and when you add this one 0.0792, you can see that this 7 is almost more than 0.05. So this is going to be 0 point greater than this value 0.05 greater than. So this is the cutoff point. So this is less than, and yes, so you can see this is greater than. So then we have to tell 7 no more. If you get 7 no more reds, then you will win. Actually, easy way is a table, and by looking at the value, give a guess, and then take 1 minus. So okay, this value look like okay around tight 8, 7, 6. So likewise middle number with your experience. That's the best way of doing it, because this is cumulative probabilities here. So 1 minus. So make sure that if you want to find 7 or more than, then you want to minus. If you want to find probability of x greater than or 7, then you want 1 minus px less than or 6, not 7. We'll discuss the exercise now.